Hello lovely viewers of Sharing Community. Welcome back to your own channel, your own community. Thank you so much for your love and support for our visually impaired community. As always we say, sharing is caring. So please share, like and subscribe to receiving awesome contents. And also love, live, love. Take care and see you soon.
Hello guys, and welcome to another Sharing Community video with me, Alexandra Equator. If you want to find out more of what I'm doing, then A, subscribe, and B, look for the website www.theblindsoapmaker.co.uk, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Hello, it's Alex the Blind Soap Maker, and here I am with my recipe for cheddar ham and spinach savoury muffins. So here in this bowl I have 250 grams of plain flour, I have 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika and a big pinch of salt because I like things salty. Here in this bowl I have 130 grams of grated cheddar cheese. On this side of me, in this bowl, I have 50 grams of ham. I have used last night's ham gammon leftovers. Here I have 80 grams of defrosted frozen chopped spinach. And obviously when you defrost something there's always a little bit of water in there. So I'm just going to take a big chunk of my spinach and I'm going to squeeze the little lumps of chopped spinach so that I get all of that extra water that I don't want in my muffins out. And then I'm going to put that into this bowl that I've had underneath the bowl with the spinach in, already and prepared. These dry ingredients that I told you about into my big bowl ready for mixing with my mixer. Okay, so there's the flour and everything, and here is the cheese being added. I'm just using my hands because then I can make sure that absolutely every little bit of cheese has come out the bowl, hopefully without warming it up too much. Here's my ham. Just pull all that in. Gosh, that smells really nice to me. Obviously it's not everybody's cup of tea, but it definitely is mine. So now I am using a tablespoon to just mix it all in to make sure that it all gets nicely mixed in with one another. So now I'm going to add to my dry ingredients some pepper to season. Just make sure I get it all the way around. There we go. I'm going to push that aside and explain what I'm going to do next. Here in this bowl, I have 2 eggs beaten with 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And I'm going to add it to 240 mils of milk. I I mix it all in. There we go. And now I am going to add to this mixture, hopefully without losing my little mixing device, the spinach that you saw me squeeze out earlier. There we go. So now I'm going to take back my dry ingredients and I'm going to add my wet ingredients, my milk, my egg and my spinach to my dry ingredients. Now I am going to mix this with its paddle to make the batter. I'm going to mix it until it is just combined. Now what you should see is lumpy but with no dry flour remaining, okay? So if you can take a look at this batter, now as you can see it is lumpy but there is no dry flour remaining, okay? Over here, I have 12 muffin cases ready for this batter. So now I'm filling my cases. I am using 2 spoons deliberately so that I can take a whole load of my mix and then I can push it off with the front or the back of the spoon. Normally the back of the spoon. So I make sure that I haven't got any dripping off my first spoon. Then I quickly pull it over. I find the edge of it with my spoon and then I push it out into my case. And to be honest guys, I am only hoping for the best. I know I'm not the best at this, but this kind of thing is practice makes perfect, okay? They're all ready now, as you can see. So I'm now going to put them into my oven. It is preheated to 170 degrees C because it's a fan oven. And I'm going to cook them for between 20 to 22 minutes. Don't they look beautiful? Bon appetit! So thank you for watching us. Please subscribe for more content and follow. Send to a friend. Bye!